Yo, guys. Check out my new PC. I know it's not what you guys expected I'll be getting, but this is what I have. So, it is a Lenovo. I don't know how to pronounce this, but I guess it's okay. But yeah, this is our new gaming PC. It's not actually a gaming PC, it's just a regular laptop. But you can see it's all brand new. I don't have any files. So yeah, I won't be doing anything with it until tomorrow. Because right now I'm having trouble setting up my network. And I won't be able to do it until tomorrow. And that means when I do it tomorrow, it is GTA 5. I know you guys been waiting for a long time. Months ago. 2 months ago, I think, right? Because now we're in March. You guys been waiting since August and December, January, and February. You guys been waiting. So, yeah, I'm here now. So let's get started. I don't know what to do, so let's check out what we have here. We got access, we got alarm clock, we got AMD random setting light, calculator, calendar, camera, connect. That means I can connect I am so fucking excited right now, guys. I'm not. This is so freaking funny. We got to buy audio. I think that's like for me to stream. So, woohoo! I can stream. Then we got feedback hub, Excel, get help, group music, valid, mail, Mac free security, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Office tools, Microsoft Solid Collection, Microsoft Store, Micrit? I'll go back to that. We got movies and TV, Office, OneDrive, OneNote, Outlook, Paint 3D, ooh, people, photos, PowerPoint, Publisher, Rigtel Audio Console. I think I could do my whatchamacallit videos on here. I don't know. That's why I'm so fucking excuse my language, guys. I know I'm not supposed to be cussing. But god damn. This day is here right now. And I just can't wait to get everything started tomorrow. GTA 5. So yeah, guys, I'm sorry to tell you, but I won't be downloading LSPDFR until like Tuesday. That's the day after Monday. But yeah, I won't be doing that until like Tuesday, because I want to download Grand Theft Auto 5 first and then play the game tomorrow on here. And I'm gonna mess up this freaking PC. I do things that this PC haven't done before. And I'm just so excited right now, guys. I'm not even lying. This thing is so awesome. Oh, I can't. The hell? Okay, we're gonna go back. Where was I? I was at the bottom, right, guys? Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I was at the bottom. So yeah, publisher, we have Retail Auto Console, Settings, Skype, Windows 6. I was about to say the word sex, I swear. Accessories, Windows Administrative Tools. That's me, guys. Window Race of Exit, Windows Security, Windows System, and Word in your phone. And what I'm gonna do is go to Windows Administrative Tools. I don't know what I'm doing on here, so I'm like, computer set, configuration, system information, task schedule, Windows Defender firewall, memory. Guys, I don't know what the hell I'm doing on here. It's like a brand new toy that I have. Let's see, wait, what am I bad name? Okay, I guess we can start with a dual audio. Don't know what this is, so. Hello? Oh, damn. What game on here? Game profile is on. Surround sound that you will blow you away and take your gameplay to the next level. Okay. Sound interesting. Voice. Clear, consistent voice quality so you can hear every word. Okay, how do you... Oh, there's a power on. Movie profile is on. Graphic sound, surround sound, and clear dialogue for the full impact of movies and TV shows. Cool. Okay. You can like personalize. Oh, that is cool. Whoa. Guys, check this out. You can personalize graphic equalizer. It's like, I don't know. I don't even know why I have my effing light on it, but yeah, you can customize it with surround vectorizer, volume leveler. Put music on here, put movies. Okay, let me get out of this. So we're gonna go on Windows. We're gonna go down. I'm check out this before I let you guys go. You guys probably googled me. But yeah, if you guys are doing something right now, just put me on the side. If you guys watching a movie, put me on the side, like next to you. You can follow up. But yeah, this is what I have. This is the money I could afford right now. But when I have my own place in the future, I download everything that's on my PC to my desktop PC. This is just a laptop PC. So we're gonna go to, I don't know where I'm going, guys. I'm just like so confused. Let's go to, audio, camera. I thought there was the one that you can like set up, okay. There it is. What's this do? Audio console. Microphone. I do have a mic, guys, so. Just going to tell you that I have a mic. And that's the TV in the background. I'm watching Chicago PD. I'm a big Chicago PD fan. Just like it, you know. Default. Blah, blah, blah. Voice recreation. Okay. Microphone boost. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So, you guys ready for a new season? That was season 1 with GTA 5 Police PS4. That's season 1. We're on season 2 now. With new PC, new everything. And let's get started tomorrow. And I hope you guys like this. Thank you for liking. Well, you guys need to like my videos. I'm sorry. It's poor that no one likes my videos. Like, why did you all guys subscribe to me? You guys don't like my videos, you know? It's just confusing. I'm not doing it for myself. I'm doing it for you guys. So, please like my videos. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.